Good evening. My name is Annie Hookman. I am an associate professor of computer studies at Kansas Wesleyan University. I'm located in Abilene, Kansas, and Kansas Wesleyan is located in Salina, Kansas. That's pretty much right in the middle of the state of Kansas. I finished my PhD in adult continuing and occupational education at Kansas State University. I defended in April and graduated in May. My dissertation topic was on asynchronous discussion boards. I did a content analysis of 7 classes. It was very interesting. I'm ready to start working on publishing that and working on other data sets to dig deeper into that. I had just I started out in curriculum and instruction in my program of study because they had a certificate program at the time in instructional design. It's like educational computing, instructional design, and online learning, or something is what it was called. So I had about 20 hours or so in online course development and technology. So I have a strong background in technology. I currently teach networking and hardware and software, operating systems, server, that kind of stuff at Kansas Wesleyan. So I thought it would be easy for me to marry education and online learning and ed tech. I didn't have much in my program of study on instructional design, so that's why I'm taking this particular course or certificate track. The models I worked with, and I did a lot of adult education models, transactional distance. My dissertation was the community of inquiry framework. In one class, we did a short couple of 2 weeks on ADDIE and the ADDIE model. That's really about my limit on actual design philosophies or frameworks. I've read a lot on different frameworks from the adult education perspective. So that's really more of a strong suit for me in my PhD program. Some of my strengths and weaknesses, I would say strengths are my strong technical background. I think another strength is that I'm not afraid of change. I like change. That's why I went into technology to begin with. The field is always changing, and I embrace change, and I look forward to doing something different every single day. And I think that's why I like the challenge of instructional design, is working with different people, different curriculums, different classes, and that's exciting to me. I like the challenge of that. Things that I don't have a lot of knowledge in is just instructional design from a practical standpoint. So our institution is really new with online learning. We only offer a couple of degree programs, and there's only a couple of faculty that actually teach most of those classes, and a lot of their classes are adjuncted out if they don't teach them. So I don't really have a lot of experience from the practical standpoint, practical application, and really the knowledge that I have so far is just what's been gained from the first 2 modules of taking this certification track. So I'm excited. Partly why I joined this particular certification track was the knowledge of having people in the course. So this networking idea or concept was really, really important for me because I don't have a lot of people to rely on. There's no one else at my institution doing it. So I really needed to form relationships with people out there. So I look forward to another great module. Good night.